Many people don't know how to secure their chat, their WhatsApp information. So anytime when the WhatsApp get problem, or maybe the phone get problem, then go lose all their chat information or video, pictures, then go lose everything because they don't know how to back them up. So today I go teach now how to back up on a WhatsApp chat, so that in case you change phone or anything happen to your WhatsApp, you go fit restore your chat them back. So the thing no go pain you in case anything happen to your chat. Now, so as we dey do am, you open your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, then you go to this 3 dot here. You tap them, we go take you to the options. Then you go to your settings. Now when you go to settings, you go to chats. You tap chats. Now for your chat, when you come down, you go see what? Chat backup. Now you don't open your chat backup. See my own. Chat backup settings. Back up your chat and media to your Google account storage. Google account. This Google account are the email where you go take back up your WhatsApp. The email where you go take back up your WhatsApp. So this email, this Google account, the email, they very, very important. Any email where you go use back up your WhatsApp, make sure say you know the password. Make sure say if anything happen to the email, you go feel recover them. If not, for example, if you flash your phone and that email you don't know the password and you know put phone number, recovery phone number or recovery email address, you know set them in a way say, you know set them in a way where we say if anything happen, you go fit get the email address back. Just know say as you lose the email address, now so you don't take lose all your WhatsApp backup. So any backup way you do, you don't lose them. So if you no get, if you just tap them, then go say you go see add account. You see say about 4 email addresses there here. But if you no get, you just tap add account. Then when you tap add account, then the process go appear. Then you go fit add the account where you want add. But I'd already get account. So now they say automatic backup. Then get automatic backup. I choose daily, but unto say I choose daily, sometimes the thing no dey work like that. So that's why you need to set reminder for your phone if possible. If not like every 3 days or every week, you set reminder for your phone so that you go fit go dey do the backup by yourself in case the thing no backup. Well, sometimes the backup fit happen maybe if you no get enough storage for your phone. If your phone storage dey low, that is your internal memory. If it dey low, if it no work, or if your data no strong, or if you no get data, all those things they affect backup. Then now I say in backing up, I say include videos. So any video where they send to me or what send and the rest, it go dey backed up. Then the other one say backup using cellular. Backup using cellular means say now your data you go use. You no need to wait for person Wi-Fi. You no need to wait for free Wi-Fi before you go back up. You no need to wait for person to give you hotspot. So you could just use your phone, your data, do the backup. So now I come over to backup. Once you tap backup, you say backing up messages. Please wait a moment. You don't see say the thing don't dey count. Backing up messages, please wait. You see say the thing don't dey count, they go. So now so the thing go dey count, they go. If your data no much, you just need to put data. So once the thing don't count reach 100%, your own are just to leave and making the dream work. After that, when it done finish that stage, the next stage now na this one. I say preparing Google storage backup. You see saying down the count to some percentage, e dey 37%, the count dey go. Na so you go count till reach 100%, then you go come enter the next step. Now you see the next step, you say uploading. Now you go dey upload the chat them and the video and everything. Go dey upload them to the email account, to the Google email account. So na so you go dey do this one. Now you no need to stress yourself. If you just hibernate the phone or put am for minimize. See as I minimize am now, e dey for my notification, e say backup in progress. So I fit from there go to, I fit leave am, continue with any other application. I can still go back to the chat and continue my chat. So when it finish like that, it go stop by itself. It don't finish to upload, so I go to WhatsApp, click the three buttons, go to settings, chats. So make I see whether true it don't finish. So if I open my chat now, then I go to chat backup. Now you see I'm last backup 12:37 a.m. So and formerly, if you check before, the managed Google storage na 3.5 gig. Now it don't increase. So you see say the thing don't set. So my last backup now yesterday, or let's say today, that is 12:37 a.m. it finished for midnight. So now my data for WhatsApp, my chat, everything done dey secure. So in case anything happen, maybe say I flash the phone or one thing happen, I know say my WhatsApp chat done dey secured. Thank you for watching. Abeg, always share this page to other people dem wey need am. The people need am well well. Also like, comment, e dey important. Thank you. In case you need somebody wey handle your social media page, make e go well, abeg contact me. I dey available anytime.